Heat advisory remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday. What? Peak heat index values 105 to 110. Where? Portions of south central and southeast Texas. When? Until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday. Impacts. Hot temperatures and high humidity may cause heat illnesses. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sun, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Take extra precautions when outside. Wear lightweight and loose-fitting clothing. Try to limit strenuous activities to early morning or evening. Take action when you see symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. To reduce risk during outdoor work, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration recommends scheduling frequent rest breaks in shaded or air-conditioned environments. Anyone overcome by heat should be moved to a cool and shaded location. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. The forecast for Lake Livingston and the surrounding areas. Heat advisory in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday. This afternoon, mostly sunny with a slight chance of showers with isolated thunderstorms. Hot with highs around 102. Southwest winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. Heat index values up to 110. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. A slight chance of showers with isolated thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 70s. South winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain 20%. Heat index values up to 109 early in the evening. Sunday, mostly sunny. Hot with highs around 104. Southwest winds around 5 miles per hour. Heat index values up to 111. Sunday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 70s. South winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Heat index values up to 109 early in the evening. Monday, sunny, hot with highs around 101. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Heat index values up to 109. Monday night, mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 70s. Heat index values up to 110 early in the evening. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Hot with highs around 100. Heat index values up to 110. Tuesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 70s. Heat index values up to 110 early in the evening. Wednesday, sunny, hot with highs around 100. Heat index values up to 115. Wednesday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 70s. Heat index values up to 110 early in the evening. Thursday, sunny, hot with highs around 100. Heat index values up to 110. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-70s. Heat index values up to 105 early in the evening. Friday, mostly sunny. Hot with highs in the upper 90s. Heat index values up to 110. Here is the tropical weather outlook for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea and the Gulf of America, Northeastern Atlantic. A strong non-tropical area of low pressure is located over the northeastern Atlantic several hundred miles west of the coast of Portugal. This system could acquire some subtropical or tropical characteristics later today or on Sunday while it moves east-southeastward at 10 to 15 miles per hour toward Portugal and northwestern Spain. The opportunity for tropical or subtropical development should end Sunday night when the system encounters unfavorable environmental conditions. For more information, see high seas forecast issued by Meteo France. The formation chance through 48 hours is low at 20%. The formation chance through 7 days is low at 20%. Central subtropical Atlantic, a trough of low pressure located over the central subtropical Atlantic a few hundred miles east of Bermuda is producing disorganized shower activity. Development of this system, if any, is expected to be slow to occur while it drifts westward through Sunday and then accelerates northward early next week. By the middle of next week, the system could merge with the frontal boundary over the North Atlantic, which should diminish any remaining chances of development. The formation chance through 48 hours is low at 10%. The formation chance through 7 days is low at 20%. 1 p.m. observations at Huntsville, sunny. Temperature 99, dew point 67, relative humidity 35%, heat index 103. Wind variable at 3 miles an hour. Pressure 30.04 inches and falling. At Conroe, sunny. Temperature 100, dew point 66, relative humidity 32%, heat index 104. Wind north at 8 miles an hour. Pressure 30.04 inches and falling. Other regional observations, it was sunny with a temperature of 100 at Lufkin and 98 at College Station. It was mostly sunny with a temperature of 97 at Houston Bush Intercontinental, 102 at Longview, and 101 at Tyler. At Dallas Fort Worth, it was partly sunny with a temperature of 103. Coastal stations, temperatures were between 94 and 98 degrees. At Beaumont, it was sunny. It was mostly sunny at Lake Charles and Galveston. At Corpus Christi, it was partly sunny. Heat advisory remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time.